Hello, we are going to talk about sound today. You would have just watched a video on sound with Tim and Moby. So, what you're going to do now is you are going to take a construction piece of paper and you are going to write on there sound waves with an S. Sound waves are made from vibrating molecules. And you are going to draw 4 pictures neatly and do them here, 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 and here. And four nice pictures showing sound waves coming from an object or something and coming to you. So you want to be somewhere in the picture and show how they're coming towards you. Show the sound waves coming to you. You should have, you can have air molecules kind of bunched up and pushing against each other, coming towards you from some object sound. You can do it in a variety of ways, but you need to show that sound is moving to you, to your ears. Whatever those objects might be. They might be from home, they might be from school, but any sound, and then showing the molecules vibrating to you. Okay? We've talked about this a lot already. So that's what I'd like you to do. Have a nice, neat paper like this, and you can have 4 sections. Then I want you to draw high frequency sound waves that we talked about yesterday up here, and low frequency ones down here. So that would be your other thing. Then make sure your name is on this, and then you hand it in. And that is your job. Okay? So, if you have any questions, you can talk to me or Mr. Kaditz or Mr. Stark. But that's what you need to do. All right. Thank you.